Kia ora. Today we're going to learn how to ask someone how they're feeling in Te Reo Maori. The phrase is Kei te pehea koe, how are you? Let's learn how to ask someone how they are. Let's begin. Kei te pehea koe, how are you? Can you say it with me? Kei te pehea koe. Kei te pehea koe, how are you? Great job! Now let's learn what it means. Kei te pehea koe means how are you? Let's practice. When I ask, Kei te pehea koe, you can answer with how you're feeling. Here are some ways to respond. Kei te pai o, I'm good. Kei te pai o, I'm good. Kei te makariri au, I'm cold. Kei te makariri au, I'm cold. Kei te wera o, I'm hot. Kei te wera o, I'm hot. Kei te hea kai o, I'm hungry. Kei te hea kai o, I'm hungry. Ka rawe tamariki ma. You did an amazing job learning. Kei te pehea koe, how are you? Don't forget to practice at home with your friends and whānau. See you next time.